You don't wake up one day and lose your self-respect. It doesn't happen like that. There is no moment where everything breaks, no loud collapse, no dramatic failure. It happens so quietly. You don't even notice it's gone. It starts small. You let things slide. One promise you break to yourself. One day you don't do what you said you would. You ignore it because it feels harmless. Then it becomes 2 days. Then a week. Then a pattern. You stop showing up for yourself in the smallest ways. You say, "I'll start tomorrow," more than you say, "I'll do it today." You tolerate procrastination. You tolerate distraction. You tolerate comfort. And slowly, something inside you adjusts. Not your schedule, not your routine, your identity. Because every time you break a promise to yourself, you teach your mind one lesson. I can't trust you. And self-respect doesn't disappear instantly. It gets replaced with excuses, with delay, with comfort disguised as rest. People think self-respect is something you have. It's not. It's something you maintain. And the maintenance is uncomfortable. Because self-respect is built in moments no one sees. Waking up when you said you would. Doing the work when no one is watching. Saying no to what weakens you. Choosing discipline over how you feel. Most people fail here, not because they're incapable, but because they negotiate with themselves too often. I'll do it later. I don't feel like it. One more break won't hurt. But every negotiation lowers your standards, and once your standards drop, your identity follows. This is why some people slowly lose respect for themselves, not because of one big failure, but because of thousands of small compromises. And the most dangerous part? You adapt to it. What used to feel wrong starts feeling normal. What used to feel like failure starts feeling like life. But here is what most people never realize. Self-respect can be rebuilt, not with motivation, not with a life reset, but with one simple shift. You stop breaking promises to yourself. Start small. Keep one promise today, then another tomorrow. Not perfectly, but consistently. Because every time you follow through, you rebuild trust with yourself. And that trust is the foundation of everything. Confidence, discipline, direction. It all comes from one thing. I do what I say I will do. No one is coming to rebuild your self-respect for you. No video will do it. No advice will do it. Only action will. And the truth is, you don't need a new identity. You need to stop abandoning the one you already have. So ask yourself this. Where did you start breaking promises to yourself? Was it your discipline, your health, your focus, your goals? Because that's where your self-respect is leaking. Not in one big moment, but in the small choices you ignore every day. You don't lose self-respect in a day. You lose it in repetition. And the same is true for rebuilding it. One decision at a time. One action at a time. One promise at a time. If this made you reflect, subscribe to the Clarity Room. And remember, you don't rebuild self-respect by thinking differently. You rebuild it by acting differently, repeatedly.